Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you guys watch me on Twitch, you may have seen a couple weeks ago or days ago, I did an ASMR. It was my first ever ASMR Twitch stream. So, if you watch me on Twitch, you may have seen a couple weeks ago, I did a ASMR stream on Twitch, and it was my first ever ASMR stream, and it did not go very well. If you haven't watched me on Twitch, I will post a link in my description box so that you can go and watch it, and watch me fail miserably at it, because that's what happened. But I also did an ASMR video on my YouTube channel, which also failed horribly. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it in the description. It's my ASMR soap cutting fail video. So all of my attempts thus far at ASMR have been less than great. But I am back again today, here to try it again, for some reason. So when I streamed on Twitch and did my little ASMR moment, what I was trying to do is make slime. And I got like the most simple, rudimentary slime kit ever. I'll show it to you guys. I literally got it at the dollar store. It's called Goozuka. It's supposed to be super simple, tiny little slime thing. No big deal, but as I said, it did not turn out at all how it was supposed to. So, here we are, going to try it again on YouTube and hope and pray that it comes out better than it did last time. So stay tuned for this ASMR slime situation. Here we go. So I switched up camera angles for us here, and now we're going to get all set up for this little project of mine. Okay, so when I made this on my Twitch channel, I made the horrible mistake of not setting any type of newspaper down, and it made a gigantic mess everywhere. So I'm gonna make sure that that doesn't happen again. Get everything down here nice and clean, and then also I brought my dishwashing gloves. We're having a real mad scientist moment here. Oh gosh. Oh, my hand's stuck. Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Just get. Oh my god. Alright. Let's try this again. Here we go. There we go. Super creepy, huh? Okay. Alright, so here's the slime kit. And I got these little test tubes. I also got these at the dollar store. The reason being is that when I did it on my Twitch channel, you have to add like a certain measurement of water, which I didn't have, so then I ended up adding too much water, and then the whole thing just didn't work. So, test tubes. Like I said, real mad scientist shit here, you guys. We're getting serious about this. Okay, so we got those. We got our slime kit. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. We have our gloves. We're ready to go. Okay, so we're gonna start off. Talk about ASMR by just opening up our little kit here. So as you can see, it comes with this little popsicle stick and this little green liquid stuff that's apparently sodium tetraborate liquid. And this little packet of gum, which it says gum. I don't know what it is, but it says it's gum, so I'm gonna say it's gum. And then we have our little instructions. Okay, so first it says, follow these rules. Do not eat the slime or any of the ingredients. Shucks. Keep away from eyes. Wash hands well after use. Got my gloves on so we're protected. Okay. Supplies you will need. Everything here. Warm water, measuring cup, 2 paper disposable cups. I did not bring 2 paper disposable cups, but I did bring this little tiny bowl here for us to mix it in. Okay. Measure 15 milliliters of warm water and pour it into a cup. Ask a parent for help. Mom! So, I bought these little things to use, but the problem is it doesn't tell me what kind of measurement it is. It doesn't say milliliters, and up here it says 50 milliliters, but that's only reaching 40, so I'm assuming that obviously this isn't milliliters because this is saying 50 even though it's only at 40. So I'm gonna just you guys see that this is the 15 mark, but I'm just gonna try to go for like 10.5 of water and just see how that goes. Okay, so I put some hot water in this bottle because this bottle is amazing and it keeps everything hot and cold for like ages. So I put it in here so that when I run out, or when it get cold. Oh, and I just filled it too much, so pour some back in. Alright, I still have a little bit of water in here, so if we don't have enough, we can always add more, but I filled it only to like the 10 spot because like I said, it doesn't say milliliters, so I don't know if this is actually milliliters or not. So we're just gonna pour that into the bowl. Okay. And then slowly mix in the gum, the 0.3 grams of gum. Don't know how I'm supposed to open this with gloves on. Oh, that actually opened really easily. Okay, we're okay. We're doing good now. Okay, so take my popsicle stick here and just try to get this. Okay, doing this with gloves on is actually so hard. I thought I was doing myself a favor with the gloves, but the gloves seem to kind of be hindering my process here a little bit. I'm not sure. It smells weird. This is like the tiniest bit of slime ever, but we're hoping it'll turn out. Okay. Once the powder is mixed in well, pour the sodium tetrabyte liquid in the cup. Use your wooden mixing stick to mix the liquid. Okay. So we got our little green bottle thing here. And okay, no. There we go. Apparently this isn't a thing. No, it's still not coming out. Oh, there's a little cap on it. Oh. How am I supposed to take this off with gloves on? Damn it. Okay. No. Ooh, okay. Got the little stopper out. I'm gonna put my gloves back on after they're... Why? Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna mix this in. There we go. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now you can see once again we got our little mixture going here. This doesn't look like the consistency of slime. See, I did this on Twitch, and when I did it on Twitch, it was also a failure, but that time is because I added too much water. This looks a little bit better. Like, the consistency is definitely more slimy than it was last time, but it still just doesn't seem 100% good. So, it just says use your wooden stick to mix the liquid. And it doesn't say anything else. There's no other instructions. Oh, wait, okay. It's kind of a slime moment. Okay. I'm gonna try to, like, just pour this out on the table. It kind of looks like slime. Okay. Dollar store, come through. Okay. Ah, it's totally like slime. It's definitely very gooey. Oh, it's kind of disgusting, actually. It's kind of really gross, but I'm also kind of here for it. I definitely wouldn't want to touch this without my gloves on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a successful slime. I am actually so surprised. I mean, it's not like the greatest slime I have ever seen in my life, but you know, it's slimy and it's not all runny or anything. I mean, it's dollar store slime, guys. Give it a break, okay? It's not gonna be the best slime you've ever seen. And the green color, a little concerning, but I mean, it's good, yeah, totally. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am so surprised that it actually kind of turned out like slime. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm never going to be able to wash dishes in these gloves again, but I think it was worth it. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see some more ASMR videos or slime videos or things like that, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Twitch channel. Love you guys.